Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to show you something a little different from our normal range of furniture care and repair products. Today I'm talking kitchenware and the best way to maintain your chopping block using our cutting board conditioner. First things first, a good chopping block is an essential bit of kit in the kitchen. It's a tool which should be looked after and taken care of, and it will provide you with many years of service. But why would you do anything other than just clean your chopping board? Well, wood is absorbent, and untreated wood can soak up liquids from food that can cause a build-up of bacteria and foul odours over time. The wood can dry out and become brittle and be in danger of cracking. Therefore, regular maintenance is a must if you want to prolong the life of the wood. Our cutting board conditioner is perfect for protecting, maintaining, restoring kitchen items, including not only cutting boards and butcher blocks, but utensils, wooden bowls and countertops. It's safe to use on all types of wood and bamboo. For maximum protection, you should apply the cutting board conditioner after using our cutting board oil. This will hydrate and nourish the wood while the conditioner seals this in. Our cutting board conditioner contains odourless, tasteless, FDA grade pure mineral oil. It's completely safe for all wooden surfaces that come into contact with food. Enriched with vitamin E used as a stabiliser, this ensures it will never turn rancid when applied, unlike some other products, and guarantees a long product shelf life. To use the product, simply apply to a cloth and rub into the wood in the direction of the grain, making sure to spread it evenly with the cloth. It can also help fill any minor knife marks in the chopping block, rejuvenating the appearance of the wood. Leave for 20 minutes and wipe off any excess conditioner and buff the wood to a nice sheen. The conditioner should be reapplied when the wood looks or feels dry. So, it's as easy as that when it comes to keeping your wooden kitchenware in tip-top condition. If you have any questions about these or any of our other products, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.